Good night, everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will presentation our group with the title transportation system. My group, my name is Ahmad Fauzi, 2 Ahmad 3 Nur Hakiki, and 3 Gunawan. It's me. Thank you, everybody. Next, transportation system. The transportation system is all form of the attachment and the linkage between passengers, goods, infrastructure, and facility that can be ordered in the context of moving people or goods, with other includes in an order, either natural or artificial engineering. Transportation is the activity of moving passengers on or goods from one place to another pedestrians, and also a means of transportation because pedestrians are the moving of people without means of transportation, even often carrying the goods that are moving. The transportation system is form of engagement and linkage of interaction, passenger, good infrastructure, and facility. The purpose of the transportation system is coordinate the process of moving passengers and or goods, while infrastructure is a medium for the transportation process. The purpose of the transportation system is that the transportation process or passenger and or good can be achieved optimal in space and the time with consideration of safety, comfort, smooth death, efficiency of time and cost, and environmental insights. There are also transportation that are natural. For example, natural transportation is divided into two types. One, river transportation by utility river flow. 2, sea transportation by making use of the wind guides. Okay, next slide. Accessibility. Accessibility is defined as concept that combines geographic land use arrangements with the transportation system that connects them, or measure of the convenience of land use location interaction with each other, and the issue with this location are exhibited throughout and transportation system. The role of transportation can be scanned from several sides, include economy sides. 1, a longer range and is cheaper and of the higher quality. 2, editing the types of goods consumed. 3, can distribute to consumer freely. Social side, the interest and population will interest human activity, so that the weight variety human activity is in accordance with the location of the descended activity. Next slide. Political side, from military government interests, especially the mobilization of people and goods. Environment side, besides having a positive impact on processing activity also have a negative impact, namely our population, cause we have exhaust emission contents. 1. Particles, and 2. Sulfur oxides, SOx. 3. Nitrogen oxide, NOx. And 4. Carbon monoxide, CO. And 5. Hydrocarbon, C. More than 70% of air pollution is caused by transportation activity. National Transportation System, the Sistranas. Okay, Sistranas is a systematic transportation development concept at the national level in order to support national development programs. Sistranas will provide the direction of the central and regional levels, compliant with the consideration of vital aspects of the economic growth, environmental sustainability, and sustainable development. Okay, next slide. Since sistem transportasi in the 5W 1H. 1. What is the transportation system? The transportation system is all form of the attachment and linkage between passengers, goods, infrastructure, and facility that can be ordered in the context of moving people or goods, which are included in the order either natural or artificial engineering. 2. Why do we need a transportation system? The role of transportation is very important for human to help at order and connect around source areas, production areas, marketing and also settlement as a residential area. 3. Where the system transportation in public transportation and in road traffic. Next, okay. 4. Who has the best transportation system? Hong Kong, Singapore, Netherlands, Swiss, and Japan. It's very good transportation. 5. When will transportation system in Indonesia get better? Indonesian transportation system will improve if there are experts in it. 6. How the transportation system impacts high levels of population due to emission from motorized vehicles. Next. Thank you very much. My presentation or group. Good night. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.